Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, today let's turn an empty Pringle box into these cute pencil stands. So let's get started. Let's make the wooden textured pencil stand first. Take a Pringle box and mark it using the marker. Now cut it out carefully. Take some tissues and rip them off into small pieces. Take some glue and apply it on the Pringle box and start sticking the tissues. Make sure you cover the entire surface with the tissues. You can also use paper over here. Let it dry for some time and add the second layer of tissues over it. But this time crumple the tissues a little bit to get the texture. And put it aside to dry it. Now take the brown and white paint and apply over it randomly. Just mix both the colors to get that wooden-like color. After you're done, let it dry, and that's it. Your wooden textured pencil stand is completed. Now let's make the popsicle stick pencil stand. Take the other half and the popsicle sticks. Now cut the end and using the hot glue gun, glue it to it. I used multicolored popsicle sticks over here, and if you want you can use just single plain color. Now take some ribbon and glue it in the bottom to cover it up. I also added ribbon at the top. And finished it by adding a small embellishment to it. And that's it, you're done. It is so colorful and lovely. So do try this craft with your kids. Happy crafting!